Managing projects can get complicated, fast. Too many tasks, too many timelines, and numerous responsibilities that aren't always clear. That's why we built this fully flexible project management app in Power Apps, a single place to organize projects, track tasks, and keep everyone aligned. Let's start at the landing screen, where you can quickly navigate to different views of your data like Power BI tiles, a list view of your projects, and a project calendar. We'll start with the project list view. Let's explore the controls and features available. On the left, you'll see a filtered list of projects. At the top, you'll see a count of your projects, a data refresh icon, a navigation to other views of your data. We have filter options for your projects by phase. Select a project and a task for that project will appear. Each record has a unique project number or task number. If you need more metadata, there are additional filters that can be surfaced up. You can easily add a new task. The form has built-in validation on each field in order to prevent incomplete records. For those who are familiar with spreadsheets, we created a project grid view where we have the same filter capabilities by phase, filters by priority and project status, as well as dynamic filters for assigned tasks. Of course, since we are dealing with dates, we need a calendar view. Simply choose either projects or tasks and the dates of the records will appear in the dropdown. Choose the date and that record will appear on the right side of the screen. Additionally, an indicator appears on the calendar on the left by either a blue dot for projects or a maroon dot for tasks beneath the date. For this demonstration, we have a minimal amount of information, but we can easily display as much data as need be. It's up to you. A key to project success is a RACI Matrix. We included it in the app because it clearly defines project roles by the first letter. R, responsible, does the work. A, accountable, makes the final call. C, consulted, gives input. And I, informed, gets updates. Here you'll find the RACI cards, a quick visual reference for roles and responsibilities. Simply filter your projects to focus on exactly what you need. From this screen, you can edit the project, edit a task, or create new tasks. When we create new tasks, notice that there is field validation. This again prevents submission of incomplete records. For a more structured view, the RACI grid allows you to filter and analyze responsibilities across all projects in one place. Ready to add a new project? Simple. Just complete the form, enter your details, and save. Finally, here's the timeline and Gantt view. This integrates with Microsoft Power BI to provide a clear visual of project phases and progress. But regardless of what you see here, you can quickly display any metric report available to you. Projects can get complicated fast with too many tasks, timelines, and unclear responsibilities. That's why we built this customizable project management app in Power Apps. One place to organize projects, track tasks, and keep everyone aligned. To learn more or see how it can work for your team, contact us today. Thank you.